little bit about buyers today and, really what it takes in order to get a home today, because I do hear a lot of buyer fatigue going on out there where buyers are I'm too frustrated, I don't want to play the game anymore, I don't want to be in a bidding war with somebody else, I just don't want to do that. And the thing that I'm here to tell you is that it's absolutely possible to get a house. Just like I talked about last week, there were 628 people that got their house last week. So there's no reason you can't do it too. But what it does take, it takes an extraordinary agent, and it also takes you doing your part and everything too. So basically what it talks about, first of all, is that finding an extraordinary agent. And the reason is because you have to have somebody that's tenacious, that actually wants to go out there and find what you're looking for,